Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will show you how to resolve diagnostic code 68 for a gate operator that won't move the gate. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. This video continues our series on troubleshooting LiftMaster gate operators. Begin by accessing the diagnostic display on the control board. Diagnostic code 68 indicates a loss of monitoring from the LMW ETXU wireless edge. Code 68 can be caused by wireless edge transmitters with dead batteries or transmitters that are unprogrammed or malfunctioning. This code can also be triggered when there is a connection problem from the edge receiver to the main board. Attempting to run the gate operator under these conditions results in the gate moving a few feet and then stopping. The operator will not run again until the condition is corrected. When pressing on the edge contact surface, the LED on the transmitter should change state. The LED will flash once for normal, twice for low, and 3 times for critically low battery charge. If the LED does not light, replace the batteries in the transmitter. Remove the screw that holds the transmitter to the mounting bracket. Remove the 4 screws for the enclosure. Remove the batteries and replace with new lithium batteries. Do not use alkaline batteries as life expectancy will be reduced dramatically. The LMW ETXU uses lithium AA batteries with a 2-year life expectancy. If the battery charge is normal, the problem is probably related to a programming issue. Before programming, it may be necessary to clear the receiver memory of all devices. Start by pressing and holding the receiver learn button for 10 seconds or until the LED goes out. The operator will beep for 5 seconds to confirm all transmitters are erased. You will then need to relearn each transmitter. Each receiver can learn up to 4 transmitters. Press and release the learn button on the receiver board. The red status LED will come on. Press the learn button on each transmitter. The LED on the receiver will blink for each transmitter learned and the operator will beep. The receiver will return to normal operation after 60 seconds or when the user presses the learn button again. If the transmitter is unable to program into the receiver, replace it. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Visit liftmaster.com or the dealer extranet for more helpful information.